Hey guys, so um, after making the last video, I realized that because of the wind, because I didn't have a mic, the sound was very rough. So I'll just basically tell you what we did there. Um, the place we planted trees with the funding of the donors of Israel 365 um, is right across the highway from Hevron, and it is hopefully hopefully going to be a new Jewish community. It's really quite revolutionary because there has not been a new Jewish community established in the Hebron region for about I think 25 years, um, and it's a strategically important piece of land that my friend Saadia is developing as a new community. We planted the kids you see in the previous video are kids from Hevron, from the Tel Rameda neighborhood, which is up on the hill behind me. Maybe you guys can see those lights up there. It's the highest neighborhood in Hebron, and a bunch of them, a bunch of volunteers came and we planted trees. We planted about 30 Polonia trees, which grow really fast, fertilize the soil, are really light, really strong wood, almost like balsa. It's the fastest growing hardwood, and it's really good for furniture and for lumber for construction. And we seeded a bunch of black locusts, which also grow fast, also fertilize the soil. It's a very hard wood. It's very good for firewood and for also furniture construction. We need a lot of structural strength, um, and they also have really great pollen for honey and edible flowers. They smell really nice. So we put in a bunch of full-grown trees, well, one of which you can see in the previous video, and which I'm going to splice in here shortly, and we put in a bunch of seeds. So thank you guys very much for your help. We're going to continue planting trees in the land of Israel. And today we planted in the holy city of Hebron. Thank you guys.